Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Grant, Sandy Shores, Great Outdoors, and June is on behind the camera. Hey, just a minute, just a minute. If we go here, hello.
Hello.
Okay, take a pan. We got the greaser going, right? Cuisinart, not sponsored by any trademark company names. Works good. Look at these. Look at these bad boys. Oh man alive, we're gonna wait. They're hotter than the dickens. That's deer sausage. Corn dogs, okay? Yummy. Okay, these guys are made to make your batter right here. To make your batter, I use just like a bowl, a regular bowl, and use how many hot dogs you want. But go 1 cup of cornmeal, right? 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of sugar. I use Twin actually; it's better. Baker's corn sugar, okay. 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt, or I used pink, okay. Quarter teaspoon of ground pepper or red pepper, okay? I didn't have red. I couldn't even find it anywhere. But 1 cup and a smidge of milk. Whole milk is better. And go 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, or I used olive oil, something like that. It's just as easy. But 2 tablespoons of honey, right? Put the oil first, and then your honey. That way, the honey will go slide right off. And 1 large egg. Have your vegetable oil going, right? Whatever, in the pan, pot, whatever it is, okay? Something deep enough. You want at least to, because what you got to do is you want to dip your batter. Well, let me show you, okay? Let me show you. Just no, you were good. You were good. And what I got to do, get yourself a skewer so you don't burn your fingers. Set your temperature at 300, okay? 300. Not sponsoring any trademark company names, Cuisinart. But you want to dip it in. Cover the whole thing. But you want to. Did you see what's on these? That's a cornstarch. Just dust them with cornstarch. Wipe them down and then dust them with cornstarch. Dip it in your batter. Let it run off a tiny bit. You get it too thick and it's just going to be could be a mess. Okay, ready? Dip it in. Kind of roll it around a bit. You want to seal that. You want to seal that batter. Okay, I'm going to lift it up. Where do you want? Right here. Grab another one. Don't listen to the background there. That's just trademark company noise in there. I'm just going to talk over it. So she's got a show going. But okay, that's safe there. You see the batter on that one? It's got like a seal on it. You won't hurt it if you dip it again. Just want to put a crust, a quick crust on them. Just roll them around. You can stand back a little bit and just have a look. But what I used on there is some garlic plus, just a shake garlic plus. Okay. And those deer sausage I got on here, I can't wait to test drive those bad boys. Right? Okay, that's down. See how they're coming? Oh yeah, and use a tall glass. Something you could dip your hot dog in. You stay on the plate. Right? Something you can dip the dog in. Watch your finger on that oil. You will get some kind of scalding. Okay, a few more. Lay them across the sticks. Those won't float, but these will. Because they're not touching the bottom. Looks good though, eh? Ooh, don't touch that. Don't touch me there. Maybe I'll bump them just so they'll come up. Hey, they come up. Let's do that. 3 minutes. Boop, boop, boop. 3 minutes. Take a look. 3 minutes. We'll take one of these and we'll just pop her back in there. Oh, who doesn't like corn dogs? Get the ones at the fairs and the X's and stuff. Some of them bad boys are like a foot long, eh? Wow. Now you got to test make sure your oil's up to temp. If you've been fiddle farting around, this one's stuck a tiny bit. I've got bamboo. Right, I've been using bamboo. Like grab yourself even a bamboo stick, like you screw with it, and watch your batters here. You're in 217. I bet we test drive one of these cowboys. Oh, it's so tender. Want to try, baby?
No, go ahead.
Oh, man alive. Just a minute. Oh, that's so good. Excuse my back. I say, get out of there. I'm going to get some of that. It's a new ketchup and mayo kind of mix. Oh, come on. Why are these things always empty, you think? Brand new. Okay. How are we doing here? Minute 22. So soft. Oh, incredible. Oh, go ahead, June. Go ahead, Travis. That fell out.
That's okay.
Tell me what you think of them cowboys. Those are so soft.
Mm-hmm.
The deer that we used the summer sausage that my neighbor had given me. And, oh, incredible flavor. You know what I might even do? I might even give these 1 more minute. Isn't that tender?
Mm-hmm.
Man, oh man, that's tender. I put 4 minutes for the deer sausage. Same thing I'm going to do here. 1 more minute. Okay. Grab a stick. Oh yeah. Did you see the white tops? See, I'm going to flip them back over this there. This guy's a little heavy. I like it. I like it a lot. Those deer turn out good, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, man, I wish I had more of them. I do, I think.
Yeah, we have more deer.
22. Yeah, these are everyday basics. Okay, no, it's not. But basic everyday corn dogs like you get at the fairs and stuff, these are going to be identical. Now, because I've done 5, okay, that's done. Oops, my stick stuck on here. My stuck got stuck on here. My stuff got stick on here. Here, baby. Can't hang this right. Playing with hot grease to make sure. Okay. Now we want to put these on. Ouch. Paper towel. Just to catch the excess, right? And we're going to let this rock and roll on Cowboy Get right back up to temp again because I did 5 of them, right? And I'm going to get rid of these. Some people might like them. Some are on the back side. Garbage cans right here. Come on. Get off. I said get off. Okay, that's clean. Excuse me, pardon me. Will you hold that just over there for a sec? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Oh, it's a screen deal I'm looking for. Now, I made a stupid mistake. I washed the screen. Careful. Dip it once quick. Right? Because you could have a flare up. Now, you don't want to burn any of these guys here because they will make your meal just some incredibly ugly. Nobody likes burnt. You know, some have settled to the bottom. We'll get them cowboys after. How many times you got to say cowboy? I guess this is cowboy food, right? Hot dogs and corn fritters. Okay. Let's have the basket again. Put that right inside. Whoops, we got one in there already. Sorry. She's the one who should be holding the camera. Oh, don't touch me there. Gonna be killed. Gonna be killed. Alrighty then. Okay, get up there. I say. There's only 3, so I'm gonna let them dangle here. Now these guys here, you can make them. Throw them in a a bowl, just cover it over saran or something. You sort of want to vent them because they'll get soggy anyway. But corn dogs, who doesn't love corn dogs? They're going to go fast. Okay. Four. Let's get up there. Are you up there? Are you up there yet? Come on, there you go. 300. Ooh. Yummy. Now these are hotter than right hub. I'm going to try another one of these deer. How come they keep sliding out? Because they got a casing on them. That's why. The sausage have a deer casing. Oh. My friend. Excuse my fingers. Please go ahead. Yummy. Like that? Yummy. That's deer sausage. See it steaming? All right, look at it. How are these doing? Power, ready. Well, the son of a gun is ready, right? I hope so. Okay, it was there. Should have been just crackling. Heck of a lot hecker more than that. It must have settled down a tiny bit. No, it had ready on there. Yeah, it's right. It's hot enough. That's funny. See the casing? That's collagen. Collagen casing. Sorry for double dipping, but it's another company. Oh, thank you, thank you. Why didn't you say that before? It's still cooking. It's coming. Corn dogs, you can wrap them up, put them in a saran, throw them in your pocket, go to work, go biking, go fishing. You got a little container, something like that, take a bunch for the family. Go ice fishing, right? And if you got one of them tent heaters, right, the kind that have the ceramic base on them, propane, lay them on top, take a screen, turn it upside down, lay it on top, heat them back up again. Yummy. Yummy. 22. I say 22. Did I say 22? One more time. Look at that. Well, you just look at that. Now these are 4 minutes. These are big dogs. These are big baseball dog kind of things. There she is. There she blows. Ow, could have been killed again. Don't be stupid. No, they're fantastic. I was just kidding. Wait, look at that. Put them down here. Yummy. That's hot. Oh, see, I say that. Did I say that already? Will you just take a look at that, friends? Just move right in on that cowboy. On that cowboy meal. Look at that. Woo. Deer sausage, corn dogs, and just all you need is a set of chiclets to calm down. Well, you don't have chiclets like me. Well, either way, I've brought them, but I don't really know. Well, that's all right. Oh, hers in her pocket? Okay. That's what you get when you get older, eh? But, yeah, hey, this is so simple. Look at, let that cool down. Let that take a happy break. And, hey, you still got some? Someone comes by. You want some? Sure. You can even pour that into a spoon. Grease the spoon. Right? Grease the spoon. Dip that in. Put it back in the oil. And you'll have little nuggets. Right? Same thing. Go ahead, friends. Tell me what you think of that. It's so simple. So simple. There you go. Cornstarch on the top for dusting the dogs only. Don't add that to your mix. That's just like this. Just for dusting. Right? That dog dry with a paper towel first. I got him back afterwards. But hey, that's the way she is right there. You want to stop it? I'm gonna go here. Thank you so kindly. If you like this, thumbs up, please subscribe, leave a comment. And hey, I'm doing outside stuff. I'm doing inside stuff. I do cooking. I do everything. Right? And really appreciate you coming by. Don't cover the lens, ding dong. Okay, friends. Thanks so much. Bye for now.